Detailed case summary. Johnson v. Agnew, 1979, is a landmark case in English contract law concerning the remedies available for breach of contract, specifically the remedies of specific performance and damages. The case was decided by the House of Lords and has significant implications for the treatment of breach of contract and the election of remedies by the aggrieved party. Background facts. The case involved a contract for the sale of two houses. Johnson, the claimant, agreed to sell the properties to Agnew, the defendant. However, Agnew failed to complete the purchase, leading Johnson to seek specific performance, a remedy that compels the breaching party to fulfill the terms of the contract. Claimant: Johnson, seller of the properties. Defendant: Agnew, buyer, who failed to complete the purchase. Arguments. Claimant's argument: Johnson argued for specific performance, compelling Agnew to complete the purchase of the properties as initially agreed. When this remedy proved ineffective due to Agnew's financial difficulties, Johnson sought to rescind the contract and claim damages for the breach. Defendant's argument: Agnew did not present a strong defense due to his financial inability to complete the purchase, which ultimately led to the focus on the legal principles surrounding the election of remedies. Final outcome. The House of Lords held that when a party seeks specific performance and it becomes impossible to enforce, they may still rescind the contract and claim damages. The court clarified that seeking specific performance does not preclude the right to rescind the contract and claim damages if the specific performance remedy fails. Legal justification. The court reasoned that the remedy of specific performance is discretionary and can become impractical or impossible to enforce. Therefore, the aggrieved party must have the flexibility to seek alternative remedies, such as rescission and damages, to be fully compensated for the breach of contract. Key concept implication of the case: flexibility in remedies. Johnson v. Agnew establishes the principle that an aggrieved party who initially seeks specific performance can later seek rescission and damages if specific performance is no longer viable. Precedent. This case sets a precedent that enhances the flexibility and protection for parties in breach of contract cases, ensuring they are not unduly restricted to one remedy. Key learnings. Specific performance is a discretionary remedy and may not always be enforceable. Aggrieved parties can elect to seek alternative remedies if initial remedies prove impractical. The case underscores the importance of understanding the limitations and practicalities of legal remedies in contract law.